Well, hello. We're going to make a little video about basic programming of FALA 180725 servo control unit. The programming will be done using a Märklin CS2 central station. As you can see, the FALA unit is connected through power, 16 volts AC. The digital input is connected through the programming track of the control unit, and there is a servo connected to port 4. Red light is flashing, indicating that the unit is powered. So now we're gonna go through the entire procedure described in the manual unit. So first we press the programming key, and now the LED is permanently on, indicating that the unit is in programming mode. Now we press the minus key to activate the digital programming way with the control unit. And now we are going to select, using minus and plus key, the format. With servo 1 and 2, flashing is DCC format. With servo 3 and 4, flashing is Märklin Motorola 2 format. We're going to use this one because I have some problems with the DCC format before. Does that not surprise me, since I had similar troubles with other control units not made by Märklin, which have sometimes particular procedure described by the manufacturer of the units. This problem arises with the CS2, not with the CS3. Now we press enter to confirm the selections, and we have servo 1 light LED, just as stated in the manual. Now, using plus and minus, we select which servo we want to program. We have a servo attached to port 4, so we select port 4. And then enter again. Now we have to send a command to the unit for this one to recognize the address. We're going to use anyone, keyboard 81 now here, and the servo briefly moves. It recognizes the command key that will be later used to control the servo. Now we have to select two keys for the calibration of the arm movement, which will be used temporarily. I will use these two ones, 87 as plus. You see the servo briefly moves. 88 as minus. And you see the servo briefly moves, it recognizes the command. Now we are going to use the red position. And using plus and minus keys, we can adjust, as you can see, where the position will be. Once you are satisfied with the position, now you use for position 2, and calibrate the position again, plus and minus key, according to your needs. Now to save these two positions, in the manual they said you have to move 3 times using the control keys the servo. Here might be a mistranslation of the manual, because it's not really just 3 times, but 3 complete cycles, as you will see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the servo, as stated in the manual, moves between the two preset positions. Using again minus and plus keys, you can set the speed of the movement, again as you wish. When you're satisfied with the speed movement, you press one of the servo keys, and the programming is done with the presetting saved. You can see now programming light is out, it's not permanently on, it's just blinking, and the light in the servo programming is off. So now it should work. Position 1, position 2, position 1, position 2. That is just for the basic programming. Later on, if you wish, you can add via CDs some other configurations, such as rocking. That's useful for crossing barriers, for instance, or a semaphore, to have a more realistic movement. To basic functions like open the doors of a shed, for instance, this should be enough. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.